Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to get your Telegram profile link, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process step by step. So, without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So, for that, you can go ahead and access the Telegram application first, open it up on your screen, and you should be finding this chat screen on your screen directly. Now, if you want to get your Telegram profile link, it is pretty easy. Once you are logged in, all you gotta do is look out for the menu option in the top left corner of the screen and go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you tap on it here, you will be finding this sidebar appear on your screen with different options. You may go ahead and tap on the option called My Profile from here and open up your profile page directly, which should be available like this. Now the next step you need to do is you need to go ahead and from your profile look out for the three dot in the top right corner and go ahead and tap on it to open up a menu on your screen. Just like this. Now once you are here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and look out for the option called copy link to profile. Go ahead and find it up and tap on it, and it should directly copy the link. You can just go ahead and do so, tap on it. Once it is done, you can just go ahead and paste the link to anywhere you would like to paste it. You can go to any other applications where you would like to share it, and you can just go ahead and paste it. For example, this right here, and go ahead and paste it. After that, just go ahead and tap on send. And once you hit on send, the link will be sent, and that is it. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to also copy a link from Telegram, these are the methods you can follow up. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.